Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to download Roblox app in your PC. So let's get started. At first, let's get into the search bar over here and search for Microsoft Store. So here it is, so let's tap on this. Now in the search bar we need to search for Roblox. And here's the app, so let's tap and we need to simply click on this install button over here, and this installation process can take few minutes and we need to wait till then. So it's done. Now you can simply tap on play to continue playing on Roblox. So this is all we need to do to download Roblox app in PC. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.